सावधान विश्राम सावधान ब्रेक कदम ताल शुरू करेंगे कदम ताल लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट कदम थाम लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट सावधान नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1 next 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 Saavdhan. Let's pray. Oh Lord, we offer you this new day into your hands. Bless us and our studies. Help us to study well our lesson. Help us to be always good and fruitful. Bless our motherland with peace and prosperity. Protect and defend us from all evil. Let me go the silence of the land. Dolo can let me say. Give me the hollow of the hand. Give me day by day. Guide me right on the way. Keep me in the center of the wheel. All my plans for me may I fulfill. As I go my way, let me run from day to day. Keep me in the center of the wheel. Give me day by day. Guide me on the way. Never let me stay. Keep me in the hollow of the hand. This round, Batman quote. Class 4, number 2. Slide never stop teaching. Class 5, number 1. My life is my message, said by Mahatma Gandhi. Class 4, rule number 16. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning, said by APJ Abdul Kalam. Quiz, class 5, rule number 15. On which their world environment day is observed? Yes, 5th June. Today's speech. Good morning to everyone, respected headmasters, teachers, friends, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I would like to speak a few words on Durga Puja. Durga Puja is one of the most important Hindu religious festivals in India. It falls in autumn season or in the month of October. In this festival, Goddess Durga is worshipped to overcome the evil powers. It's celebrated for 7 days and it is the main festival of West Bengal. All children and people enjoy this festival very colorfully. Thank you. News reading.
আজি প্ৰধান বাতৰিসমূহ হ'ল APSC কেলেংকাৰীত মোদী চৰকাৰক জবাবদিহি কৰিলে হাইকোৰ্টে। জালিয়াতি ধৰা পৰাৰ পিছতো 24 বিষয়াই কেনেদৰে কৰি আছে চাকৰি। নেতৃত্বৰ বিৰুদ্ধে ক্ষোভ লখিমপুৰত কংগ্ৰেছত যোগদান বিজেপি অগপ নেতাৰ। উপজিলা গঠনৰ দাবী। এতিয়া শুনক খেলৰ বাতৰি। পুৰুষৰ 50 মিটাৰ ৰাইফলত বিশ্ব ৰেকৰ্ড 33 পদকেৰে চতুৰ্থলৈ এছিয়ান গেমছৰ শ্বুটিঙত ভাৰতৰ জয় জয়কাৰ। সহজ বিজয়েৰে ছেমিত নিশাত জাৰিন আজি ৰিঙত নামিব লাভলীনা। আমিন গাঁৱত ইংলেণ্ড দলৰ দীৰ্ঘ অনুশীলন টিম ইণ্ডিয়াৰ অধিকাংশই বিশ্ৰামত তাৰকাৰ সমাৱেশে বৰ্ষাপাৰাত মূল আকৰ্ষণ। আজি বাতৰি ইমানেই। সাৱধান, ready for place. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its trees and heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall keep my parents, sisters, and all elders. Respected, teach everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, and all lives my happiness. Ready for second.
Draw their home.